In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to connect Claude AI to Roblox Studio. Let's get started. First, launch your Roblox Studio, then click on this AI Assistant icon. Click on three dots, select the option Manage MCP Servers. Now toggle on for this option, Enable MCP Servers. Likewise, click on the arrow option. Now copy this JSON configuration. After you do this, launch your Claude AI app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now click on the profile icon, navigate to the option settings, head over to the option developer. Now click on the option edit config. Now here you're going to find the file Claude JSON config. Launch it. Open this with a code editor like Visual Studio Code or Notepad. Paste the copied JSON configuration into the file. Then you can save it. After that, fully quit the Claude app and reopen it to refresh the setup. Once it's restarted, go back to developer settings and check if the MCP server is fully connected. If needed, go to API keys and adjust or reconnect them. And also make sure HTTPS is enabled in the experience settings. Once everything is set up correctly, your Claude AI is connected to Roblox Studio. That's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.